For the best television productions in documentary feature English language, the nominees are
for the Television Award nominees, the best television production in documentary and feature English language. The nominees are Straight Talk 2050 AIT, For Nigeria's Future, Arise News, Curbing Oil Theft in the Niger Delta region, Arise News, Culture Code, Kaduna State Media Corporation, Okiame Atuashe III, The Making of a King, NDN TV, Kidnapped, Trust Television.
And the winner is Ogiame Atuase III, The Making of a King, NDN TV.